Hello and welcome to Granthams. My name's Paul. I'm part of the sales team. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. And I'm now going to give you a walk around video tour of the Swift Siena 6FB 2023. So the Siena range is exclusive to Granthams. You can see that it has an enhanced decal on the exterior. The Siena logo is gel coated just for extra standout, and as you'd expect from a special edition Caravan, it does come packed with a lot of extra features, including the Alco ATC, which is the automatic trailer control. Swift for 2023 have included this very nice contrasting matte black gas locker, full width. All the twin axle Caravans in our Siena range come with the heavy duty corner steadies. And then on the near side exterior, we've got the barbecue point, side access locker for ease of access to your underneath front seating, 230 volt electric socket. The habitation door has a window, and on the inside of the door there is a kitchen bin. We include rain guards or mud flaps. And as this is a fixed bed layout, you've got the additional side hatch to help with ease of access to the underneath of the bed. And as we just go around to the back of the Caravan, again, with all Swift Caravans, you've got the 2-lay bike rack bars already fixed, ready to accept the bike rack up to a maximum of 50 kg weight limit. I will point out that the construction is smart, which translates into a timberless Caravan frame, which means that the Caravan is lighter in weight, but also moisture resistant. So if you step inside the Caravan, we have the exclusive upholstery scheme. It's been very popular for us. I think it contrasts well with the worktops, which are in a sort of slate grey finish. Underneath the pelmet, you've got LED lights and USB charging points. Front binnacle, you've got a couple of extra blank plates there should you want any additional electric points. Caravan comes with a alarm which has passive infrared for movement inside the van. Nice feature are the Horrocks pleated blinds, 4-sided, so they're engineered to block out more light. Over the habitation door, we've got the user-friendly control panel, and then to the right of that is the Truma blown air heating system. Kitchen, you can see there's plenty of workspace, preparation area. Overhead flat bed microwave, again that is new for 2023. Under counter Dometic fridge freezer, and a Thetford combination oven with 3 gas ring burner. Stainless steel sink, which will also feature a bowl. On the other side, we've got a side dinette area, which will also then make up into a double bunk. And you've got the privacy curtain there as well. Moving to the bed area, we've got a French-style fixed corner bed. Plenty of overhead locker storage capacity. Wardrobe with hanging rail and directional TV aerial. Should point out that the Caravan has a 100-watt roof-mounted solar panel. And then stepping in to the wet room, we've got the toilet and shower combined. Second TV point in the bedroom and electric point. So there is our Swift Siena 6FB 2023. If I can be of any more help, please don't hesitate to give us a call, arrange an appointment, or have any further questions. Telephone 01476 560 599. Thank you.